Data is the most important in any system. If you have a better data, if you have a good data, you'll have a good result. If you have bad data, you'll have a bad result. And in this here, missing data is like a puzzle, and you would like to, let's see, to find a solution for this, let's say, empty space. So how you fill them, change everything. So why we care about missing data? Because most of the real world data set have a gap, let's see, gaps, and how you handle them affect the model performance. So in this slide, we will try to explore techniques for for instance, deleting when your data is missing, to imputation, for instance, using mean, median, and for the numerical data, and mode for the categorical data, and to advanced methods like KNN and regression, and when to use each. For instance, you can use for the deletion when you have plenty of data. If you have a big data set and you have, let's say, to remove the missing values, so you will still have a big data. But if you will, after removing the data, you will have, let's see, a few records. It's not, this is not a good solution. And you have to choose another one to, for instance, imputation, for instance, calculating the mean, calculating the median, and maybe the mode for the categorical data of the columns. And you could also try to find a pattern, for instance, missing. Try to find the patterns in the data itself, in the data, using KNN, and maybe I don't know, maybe another algorithm just to find the complex patterns to fill this data here. And if you see here, we have technique, deletion, simple mutation, model based. You have to, let's see, create a model that can predict, let's see, the missing values, and also deep learning matrix factorization. This is how to handle missing data. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.